Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to jump right on in, partially because I forgot to film an intro. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how I wash my daughter's hair, from the products I use to what techniques I have figured out work the best to have just an easy wash day, because it's a lot of time, it takes a lot of work. The less tears and the less frustration and struggle, the better. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I get it done. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So right here, we are just taking down her previous style. I had just braided the top and then pulled the rest back up into a ponytail or a bun for the last week or so. Her hair is very, very dry. She does have type 4 hair. It's fine. She's got a lot of it though, but it does tend to knot up super, super easily. So when I'm taking down her styles, I like to be as gentle as possible so I don't cause any breakage. And in the back here, I'm just kind of finger detangling where the rest of her hair was kind of pulled up into a ponytail, and that way I can kind of stretch it out before we start the washing process. So even though my daughter is pretty tall for her age, I still have her get up on the kitchen counter and lay down so I can wash her hair. I just put a rolled up towel underneath her neck so that way she's comfortable. And I just feel like this is the easiest way to wash her hair. I don't have to bend over a bathtub, my back don't hurt. I don't have to keep telling her to keep her head up or she's gonna get shampoo in her eyes. So if you have not tried this yet, I encourage you to do so. Right now, I'm just taking some lukewarm water and running it through her hair, trying to loosen up any product buildup that she may have. Because like I said, she did have that style for about a week. So I was reapplying some edge control a couple days ago, a little bit more leave-in conditioner. I try to just get rid of as much products as I can before we go in with our shampoo. So the first product I'm going to use is this rice water shampoo. I purchased this from Natural Beauty. She is based out of Florida, and I will leave a link to her website down in the description box below so you can check out her products. I've been wanting to try a natural shampoo out for quite some time now, and I finally found one that had a lot of good reviews, so I made sure I would check her out, and she's from Florida, so gotta show my support. If you do not know the benefits of rice water and what it can do for natural hair, I will leave a little bit of information here on the screen. I love that there is a nozzle on the shampoo because it is very, very liquidy, so it's not something that you can squeeze into your palm and then apply to your scalp. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and give Jada a little good massage and let it sit on the hair for about 2 to 3 minutes before I rinse it out with warm water. I only shampoo Jada's hair about once a month, so when I do, I like to go ahead and do it twice just to make sure that all the product is being removed. So the next shampoo I'm going to use is this Daily Hydration shampoo from SheaMoisture, and this is from their 100% virgin coconut oil line. I think this shampoo is absolutely amazing. It is very moisturizing, and since the rice water shampoo is definitely a clarifying shampoo, I like to use this one afterwards just so I add a little bit of moisture back into her hair, but I'm still making sure that all the products that we've had in it for the past month are completely removed and her hair is squeaky, squeaky clean. So once the shampoo is completely rinsed out, I'm going to go in with this Babasu and Honey Deep Treatment. This is also from Natural Beauty. I like this mask. I wish it was a little bit more on the thick side, but that's just my preference. It does have great slip and I can easily run my fingers through her hair, which is something that I want to add. Something that I do to prevent breakage is I try to use my fingers as much as possible before I use combs and brushes and things like that. I try not to use those tools on her wet hair because I just find that with her hair being so fine, it can just cause more damage than good. So I try to hold off as long as possible and yeah, just use my fingers. I like this conditioner. It's not my favorite. I'm still getting used to it. I will leave a few others of my favorites that I use regularly down in the description box below if you're interested. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over her hair, make sure it is evenly distributed, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap her up with a Publix bag. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit on here for about a few hours, and then we'll rinse it out and we'll be right back. Okay, I lied. So I separated her hair in 4 sections and I did little twists. They're not even whatsoever. Now I'm just going to take an oil blend. You can use whatever oils you prefer. And I just like to apply this to her scalp, and then I'll squirt a little bit into my hand and apply it all down her twist, just to make sure her hair is fully saturated. I feel like this helps, especially with conditioners that don't do the best in moisturizing. That way you get a little bit of a boost from the oils. And then we're gonna wrap her up, let her sit for a few hours, marinate, and we'll be right back. So here's her hair after the conditioner is rinsed out. There is a leave-in on it, that's why you can see some product. It's not super defined like it usually is when I use other deep conditioners, so that's why I'm kind of on the fence when it comes to that one. But here is the finished style that we ended up with. She really likes it. I just did some braids and added a ponytail, and yeah, she looks super cute and she is ready for the week. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.